Ever wondered how a character from a cult classic film could inspire a philosophical movement? Today we're diving into the intriguing world of Dudeism, a philosophy inspired by none other than the character known as the Dude from the film The Big Lebowski. Yes, it may sound peculiar, but bear with me, for this journey may involve more than just a love for White Russians and bowling. Dudeism at its core is a laid-back philosophy that promotes kindness, balance, and a go-with-the-flow attitude. It encourages us to embrace life as it comes, without unnecessary stress or strife. The Dudeist motto is, "Just take it easy, mankind." Sounds appealing, right? But there's more to this chill philosophy than that. Dudeism shares a deep connection with an ancient wisdom tradition called Taoism. Taoism, an age-old Chinese philosophy, teaches us to live in harmony with the Tao, or the way of the universe. It emphasizes Wu Wei, or effortless action, which is about acting naturally without forcing things. This concept harmonizes perfectly with the Dudeist ethos, making the two philosophies resonate on a similar frequency. But how does one practice Dudeism? It's not merely about quoting lines from the movie, smoking pot, or wearing a bathrobe all day. Dudeism is about taking time to relax, to meditate, and to be present. Being Dude is about releasing stress and not getting hung up on trivial matters. In essence, it echoes the Taoist philosophy of flowing with life, not against it. The Dude, or Jeff Lebowski, may initially come across as a slacker or a deadbeat. However, his character encapsulates several virtues that align with Taoist principles, making him an unexpected Taoist symbol. The Dude, despite the many curveballs life throws his way, maintains his cool and takes it all in stride. This resilience and flow echo the Taoist concept of accepting life's ups and downs without resistance. Moreover, the Dude's interactions with others are marked by respect, compassion, and calmness, reflecting the Taoist ideals of harmony and balance. His simple lifestyle, filled with bowling, music, and friends, mirrors the Taoist principle of simplicity, prioritizing inner peace over material wealth. In his youth, the Dude was an activist, but at some point he gave it up. Interestingly, the Dude's transition from activism to a more passive approach mirrors the story of Lao Tzu, the founder of Taoism, who left civilization behind to live a quiet life of harmony away from the ruckus. Both figures, in their unique ways, exemplify a detachment from societal expectations and an emphasis on personal tranquility. The Dude, therefore, is a relatable and endearing figure for those seeking a path of peace and contentment in a chaotic world. His simple, harmonious, and resilient approach to life embodies the core principles of Taoism, making him a modern-day Taoist icon. At first glance, Dudeism might seem like a humorous spin-off, but delve deeper and you'll find it to be a relaxed, accessible interpretation of profound Taoist principles. So, perhaps Dudeism is a path worth exploring. Keep taking it easy, and remember, the Dude abides, and so can you. All you have to do to be a Dudeist is embrace the flow of life, relax, and above all, don't be undued.